He sees you when you're sleeping. He knows when you're awake. He knows when you've been bad or good. So be good for goodness sake. Better watch out. You better not cry. You better not fight. I'm telling you why. Shower, so we're looking at showers. I think this is the one that we're going with here, and it has a little seat thing. So ordering a new refrigerator, so I'll show you guys that in a second when I go over here. This is really pretty. It's so cute, but it's small, like really small. I need a big shower because I need room. But it's actually really nice. I like that shower head though. That's fine. But it just seems like it's crowded. I don't know. But like the color is really pretty. I like this one too. Oh, I got to break it. I like this one. See, this one is a little bigger with that head. Cute. Navy blue. Really pretty. And then marble. So cute.
And then hang on that and tell them that we need to change the from pickup to delivery.
Yeah. I like this one too. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Yeah, whoa, I don't wanna be right. This one, nope. I don't wanna be right. This one got 2 drawers. That's just how I feel. I see one got a 4 or 3. Yeah, 3. Yeah. 26. Okay, so we have to go to the desk and order it now. You have to tell them the number that you want. So if this works, because I'm not the first one. Oh, it worked. I pressed it. This is. I just pressed it. This is still going on, and I think it's gonna do it until somebody comes. I don't know where my daddy went. You want me to go get him? See, I told y'all it's gonna keep going off until somebody comes. No. It's still going on. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
I just got a question to ask.
20 minutes later.
Alright, so we are leaving Lowe's now. We got the shower and we got the refrigerator. I'm starved, so I'm hoping that we don't have to stop and get food because we need to. I'm hungry. But yeah, so I'm happy that we got the refrigerator because we desperately needed one. We needed one. So maybe I'll do like a fridge tour. No, not a fridge tour. Or fridge organization video. Yeah, maybe I might do that for real. On the channel. So let me know if you guys would like to see that. Give it a thumbs up if you do. But yeah, I'm excited that we got in the refrigerator. We just left Walmart and Taco Bell. I got 2 rolled tacos. I already ate one. They're so good. Like this is new and
Just
wow.
overstock. And we'll put it on the I'll bring
So cute.
if it's stuff that's not overstock, it just you don't put it.
All these great deals. I love these nail polishes. These are my favorite.
I can like find homes for it. You know what I mean?
I came here to get these, but they're $3.49. Then with the coupon, it's 50 cents. But I don't know how many times you can use the coupon. I'll get 4. These are $5 and then 125 coupons. So I'm gonna get these because I only have 1 coupon for the 2. And that is it. So okay, so I had to come back in here and get 2 more and then get 4 of these. So and it looks like see, I still coupon a little bit. Just a little bit. I am back home now. I have my Christmas tree on. I'm like obsessed with my Christmas tree this year, y'all. Like, it is so freaking cute. Like, so cute. I just love like the detail of it, you know. So I really don't have anything else to do today, to be honest with you guys. I'm probably gonna eat dinner later, so I think we're having pizza. So my dad's house so loud, so if y'all hear it, yeah. But I'm back home now. I don't think I have anything else to do today, so I'm probably just gonna be chilling for the rest of the day, watching TV probably. I don't know. But today was pretty productive. We went down there. My mom had an appointment this morning, and that's what we were originally there for. And then we went to Lowe's and we got the shower, and then we got because if you guys didn't know, my parents are like remodeling the house, which is why you probably see like paint splotches on some of the walls and stuff like that, because they've been remodeling and painting and stuff for a while now. So yeah, but the living room is finally primed, not painted yet, and then the hallway I think is primed or getting primed, in the process of getting primed. Yeah. And so we're going to be painting within the next few weeks. While we were in there, we've been needing a new refrigerator for a while, so that's why we picked up the refrigerator. And it's supposed to be here in a second, so I will vlog whenever it gets here. But yeah, I don't have much of anything else to do today. I have a headache, so I really am gonna just chill for the rest of the day. But yeah, I'll vlog if I pick up the camera and do anything else, but if not, I will see you guys in tomorrow's. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Turn on your notification so you'll be notified every single time I upload. And I will see you guys. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye, guys.